Now I am going to explain about inverse fast Fourier transform. The fast Fourier transform can be used to compute inverse DFT without any change in the algorithm. The inverse DFT of a sequence x of k, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1. Now the inverse DFT which is given as x of n is equal to 1 by n summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k w n k. Here w, where w is nothing but it's a twiddle factor. Okay, now this equation, keep it as equation 1. So from equation 1, multiply n and apply complex conjugate on both sides. Okay, so multiply n means, so n into x of n conjugate is equal to 1 by n into n, both are cancelled, k is equal to 0 to n minus 1, x conjugate of k, so here there is a minus, so now w n k. Okay, so now this n, x conjugate of n is equal to 1 by n summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x conjugate of k w n k. Okay, so now we have to find x of n. X of n is nothing but what? 1 by n into summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x conjugate of k w n k whole conjugate. Okay, so this is an inverse DFT. So this is an inverse FFT. Let us see the problem on inverse DFT. Okay, so the problem is compute inverse DFT of the sequence. The given data of x of k is this one. Okay, so inverse DFT. Okay, so draw the butterfly diagram, decimation in time FFT, algorithm. So the first series is bit reversal order, that is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. Okay, so there is a conjugate, x conjugate of 0. For inverse you have to put conjugate, x conjugate of 0, x conjugate of 4, x conjugate of 2 up to x conjugate of 7. Okay, so what is the given data? X of k is equal to 7. Okay, so this is what? X of 0, this is x of 1, x of 2, okay, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and this is x of 7. Okay, so for x of 0 what is the value? 7. Okay, for x of 4, what is x of 4? What is the value? 1. Okay, x of 2 is j. Okay, x of 2 is j. And x of 6, so x of 6 is j. And x conjugate of 1, this one. Okay, so write the bit reversal order by using the sequence x of k. So now find out the stage 1 values. Okay, how to get stage 1? How to find out this stage 1? one addition and one subtraction, one addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, and addition, subtraction. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. Okay. 7 minus 6 is what? 6. Plus of minus j is what? 0. And next, so here the value is 0. And here j minus of minus j is what? 2j. Okay. Now, we have to find out this point. One input of this one is what? Minus 0.707 plus j 0.707 plus of minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. All are cancelled. You get value as 0. So in the same way, so here one is this input and minus of this input. You are getting minus 1.414 plus j 1.414. Okay. So again, one input is 0 and second input is 0.707 minus j 0. You are getting the value as 0. So in the last point, one input is this one minus this one. So you are getting 1.414 plus j 1.414. Okay. So now at stage 2. At stage 2, one input is 8, other input is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay. Next one is one input is 6 plus 2j into W82. W82 value is what? Minus j. Here you are getting value as 8. Okay. Now next one. One input is 8, second input is 0. You are getting 8. Next one is one input is 6 minus 2j into W82. You are getting 4. So in the same way, last four inputs also, one input is 0 and the other input is 0. One input is 0, other input is 0. You are getting the value as 0. Here is one input is minus 1.414, other input is 1.414 plus j 1.414. Both are cancelled, you are getting 0. Okay. So in the same way, next one is one input is 0, other input is 0. You are getting 0. Next, one input is minus 1.414 plus j 1.414. Other input is W82 into 1.414 plus j 1.414. You are getting minus 2.88 plus j 2.88. Okay. So at last the output stage. This is the output stage. One input is 8, other input is 0. You are getting 8. One input is 8, other input is 0. You are getting 8. Here is 4 additions and 4 subtractions. Okay. 4 subtractions. Okay. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus, so one input is 4. 4 plus minus 2.82 plus j 2.80. You are getting as 0, as 8. Okay. So in the same way, so here the value is 8 plus 0, 8, and here 8 plus 0, 8, here 8 plus 0, 8, here one value is 4 minus of this value. You are getting the value as 0. So after getting the output 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, that means what? X of k is equal to what? You are getting 8, 8, 8 and 0. For inverse discrete Fourier transform, so you apply a conjugate, that means bit reversal. Bit reversal of 8 is what? 1. Bit reversal of 8 is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And bit reversal of 0 is 0. Okay. So this is, so this is an inverse Fourier transform, inverse discrete Fourier transform.